Huawei has officially taken the wraps off its new ultra-thin smartphone, the Huawei Mate 70 Air, in China today. The Huawei Mate 70 Air is available in obsidian black, feather white, and silver brocade color options. The Huawei Mate 70 Air has a SIM card slot. It is said to be 6.6 mm thin and weighs only 208 grams. The smartphone's design is very similar to the regular Huawei Mate 70. It comes with IP68/IP69 water and dust resistance. The phone sports a 7-inch 1.5K plus OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and an 18.8:9 aspect ratio. The Mate 70 Air is powered by two versions of the Kirin 9020 chip. The 16GB RAM model comes with the Kirin 9020A, while the 12GB model features the Kirin 9020B, paired with HarmonyOS 5.1. Huawei is going all-in with a quad-camera setup, headlined by a 50MP 1/1.3-inch ultra-large sensor main camera. It's joined by an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, 12MP RYYB3X telephoto, and a 1.5MP red maple multispectral sensor to enhance color accuracy. Powering the device is the aforementioned 6,500 mAh battery, supported by 66W wired fast charging via USB 2.0, starting at 4,199 renminbi. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.